I want to quickly talk to you about how to become a BJ's member this year. So consider this video the ultimate guide for BJ's membership, okay? So here's a prologue I want you to really pay attention to. The first thing you want to do if you want to become a BJ's member is to choose the card you want. And when it comes to a membership card, you actually have two types. You have the Club Plus card membership, and then you have the Club card membership. Now, the first one is actually the first one, which will set you back $110 a year. The second one will set you back one half the price, so that's $55 a year. Let me first walk you through the Club Plus card membership, and then I'll speak about the Club card membership. Okay, it's really important to choose the right card for your family, to choose the right card for yourself, for your needs. Okay, so when you think about the Club Plus card membership, you have up to 25% off grocery store prices. This is really good because up to 25% off the discount I'm just talking about. This has nothing to do with seasonality because BJ's runs this sort of year-long promos all the time. So that's really cool. So up to 25% off grocery store prices. You are able to combine BJ's and many manufacturers' coupons for even more savings. So if you are like me, if you are into couponing, you will love this sort of combination, this combo strategy. You also have curbside pickup, same day delivery, and shipping options available if you are going to shop at BJ's. You also have everyday low prices at BJ's gas. So this is kind of cool if gas prices really if you care about gas prices going up like crazy this day. The last few weeks and months, especially during COVID. I mean, during COVID, the thing is that a lot of BJ's members really appreciated the membership. So that's really good because it added a lot of value for real, like a real value. You also have a one complimentary household membership. I will speak about household membership later on. You have also a 3 supplemental memberships for only $30 a year each. 2% back in rewards on most BJ's purchases. 5 cents off gallon, okay, at BJ's gas. 2x to 3x back in rewards during special events. And you have rewards that never expire. Now, during special events, the cool thing about BJ's is that they actually run those special events, quote unquote special events, all the time. So they have them all year long. If you want to become a BJ's member, the first thing you have to choose a card you want. I just walked you through the Club Plus card membership. I want to talk to you now about the Club card membership. So that's actually the cheapest card that BJ's has. Okay. So the price is also a little earlier. The price for this Club card membership is actually half the price of the first one. So that's $55 a year with BJ's Easy Renewal. Now the thing is, should you go with the Club Plus card membership or the Club card membership? It really depends. But most thing is that it all boils down to your budget. It boils down to your grocery shopping patterns. It boils down to your household composition, how many kids you have, how many folks you have like overall, and your shopping patterns. Okay, shopping patterns in terms of chronology, in terms of timing. Like, do you go shopping once a week, twice a month, once a quarter, whatever. I mean, so this is what will determine whether or not you go with the Club card membership or the Club Plus card membership. So you have up to 25% off grocery store prices with a Club card membership. You are able to combine BJ's and many manufacturers' coupons for even more savings. So that's kind of similar to what you get with the Club Plus card membership. And but the only thing is that, so with the Club card membership, you have curbside pickup, same day delivery, and shipping options. You have everyday low prices at BJ Gas. You have one complimentary household membership. You have 3 supplemental memberships for only $30 a month. But you do not have, and this is important to mention, that you do not have on the Club card membership, you do not have 2% back in rewards on most BJ's purchases. You do not have 5 cents off per gallon at BJ's Gas. You do not have that on the Club card membership. You do not have 2x or 3x back in rewards during special events, and you do not have rewards that never expire. So your rewards on the Club card, they do have an expiration date. So be very careful if you are on the Club card tier to actually make sure that you reckon in as soon as possible, because otherwise those rewards will expire and you'll be losing not money, but you'll be losing rewards, if you will. Okay, so that's really important to think about it that way. So if you want to become a BJ's member this year, you need to first choose the card you want. Second, you need to set up your household properly. Now, I want to really walk you through a few concepts here, because when you think about BJ's membership, you have what they call primary member, and they have a complimentary member also. They also have what they call household member. Let me first talk to you about what a primary member is. So a primary member is the person who purchases the BJ's membership under his or her name. So if that's you, if you purchase the Club Plus card membership or the Club card membership, you are the primary member vis-a-vis BJ's as the organization. So you may actually review your membership status by referring to the lower right corner of your membership card, okay? With certain limited exceptions, the primary member is the only person on the membership that can make changes, okay? So this is important to really think about it that way. So you also have a household member. So if you are the Club card or the Club Plus card member, you have the option of having one household member on your account at no extra charge. So the Business Club card and the Business Club Plus card membership do not have household members, but are allowed one supplemental member at no additional charge. I will speak about how to become a BJ's business member later on, okay? I mean, not in this video, but in another video. One thing I want to say here is that household members will have their own membership cards to use to make purchases in club or on bjs.com. Okay. Now, to get the household membership card, the primary must add the household member to his or her membership, and the household member can then go into any BJ's club with a photo ID to receive their membership card. So that's kind of cool. Now, how do you add a household member? I want you to look on the screen here. What you want to do is you want to log into bjs.com. You want to mouse over your name at the top right of the page. Click on account information from the drop down menu. Click on the membership information box on the left, and click on the add plus next to add one free household member text. Okay, so this is really pretty straightforward. Now, you also have another concept that you have to think about. Don't forget to save though. You have to save, and you also have a supplemental member. So that's another concept that you need to be you need to familiarize yourself with. So as a primary member, you can add supplemental members to your membership. This supplemental members will receive their own BJ's membership card and can create online accounts at bjs.com, okay? If you have the Club card or the Club Plus card membership, you may add one household member at no charge and up to 3 additional supplemental members to your account for a fee, and this is $30 each. If you want to become a BJ's member this year, you need to understand membership types. Okay, so I spoke to you about choosing the card you want, explaining how to set up your household properly. And when I speak about understanding membership types, you have to really understand that you have something called one-day shopping pass for BJ's.com. So BJ's one-day online pass allows non-member guests to experience the benefits of BJ's.com for 24 hours without purchasing a membership. For example, if you enrolled in BJ's one-day online pass at 11:59 p.m., you can shop and order from bjs.com until 11:59 p.m. the next day. So that's kind of cool. That's really good. And what is really an online account? So your online account is actually the summary of your order activity, preferences, and your membership information. So that's kind of important because everything revolves around your online account at bjs.com. You must be a member to have an online account. If you are a primary member, it will include summaries of your free household member and paid supplemental members. Remember, you have access to one free household member and 3 paid supplemental members, up to 3. So after you enroll, register, and sign into your online account, you can make changes to your membership information, account details. You can make purchases on bjs.com. That's kind of cool because it gives you a lot of flexibility once you actually are in BJ's ecosystem. You can make changes to your easy renewal preferences. You can see your past purchase history, and you can view end date and also manage your saved payments, okay? And you can also receive a new membership card when you upgrade. That's kind of cool. And one thing for sure is that BJ's has the what they call membership money back guarantee. So under certain circumstances, if you are dissatisfied with the service, you may cancel your membership at any time and request a refund of membership fees paid to the current membership period at any BJ's club location. And you can also send a letter to BJ's. I'll put the address on the screen. So BJ's Wholesale Club, Attention membership, PO Box 9157, Marlboro, Massachusetts 01752. So this is kind of cool to really think about it that way. So BJ's is pretty sort of flexible there. And a BJ's membership is valid for 12 months unless otherwise canceled or indicated. So, and you can also change things on BJ's membership, but you cannot actually change the name on the BJ's online account. This is for privacy reasons. If you want to become a BJ's member this year, I want you to learn how to renew, okay? And now, how do you renew your membership? Well, you may renew on bjs.com if your membership is already expired or expires in 90 day or fewer, okay? So you want to go to the My Membership page. You will be prompted to log in if you haven't already. You will see a red Renew button. Remember, as I said before, a BJ's membership is valid for 12 months, but you can renew this, okay? You will not see the option to renew on bjs.com if your membership is opted into easy renewal. In other words, it's done automatically. You may also renew while checking out in club by mailing back your renewal notice or by calling BJ's member care. Number here is that 1-800-257-2582. Again, the number is 1-800-257-2582. Now, one thing for sure, as I said before, you can keep your current membership card and use it as you always have in club. However, if your name has changed since you acquired your membership card, then you will need to have a new card displaying your new name. I mean, because BJ's is very serious when it comes to member security, member data privacy, if you will. Okay, and this is important. And one thing I want to say also is that you have the option to always change, let's say, updates or change things when it comes to your membership card or even your membership accounts. Okay, things like name, address, things like whatever you want. Okay, and you can always make things less complicated by signing up for easy renewal. Okay, so you just click. You may enroll in BJ's easy renewal at any time by following these instructions. Click to access your membership information. If you're not logged in, you will be prompted to do so, right? And click the right Turn on Easy Renewal button and enter your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV number. And that's pretty straightforward, okay? And you can always do the same thing for when it comes to opting out of easy renewal. If for any reason you want to really have, you want to keep things under control and really monitor how you renew your BJ's renewal yourself. If you want to become a BJ's member, you have to know how to enjoy the perks. See, the whole thing is that why should you pay $55 a year or $110 a year to a wholesale club if you do not use the club to the best of your ability, right? So if you want to really enjoy the perks, what you have to do is you have to be a little strategic. You have to have a vision. You have to have a strategy in terms of how you shop. What are your shopping patterns at BJ's? Okay. So, for instance, you have to one membership perk is actually the pickup. So, pickup is really good because basically your orders are ready at any time. That actually works for you. That's really good. You also have same day delivery, which is really good if you have a large family, or let's say your wife or husband is working and nobody's there to pick up the kids or whatever, and you want to arrange same day delivery. So you are able to have groceries delivered in as little as 2 hours. That's kind of cool. You also have the ship to home, so you have free shipping offered on select items. So what happens here is that BJ's is really making sure that you are getting your items shipped as soon as possible. As a matter of fact, you also have an option called Express Pay. Express Pay is kind of cool for those families who are busy, those families who actually are working 2 jobs, those families who want to have things delivered even faster. Okay. You are able to also make sure when I think I spoke about that a little earlier, but make sure that you have a strategy in place to target the promos. You have to, because with BJ's, the cool thing is you can actually save up to 25% off grocery store prices. All the items you love at prices you'll love more, right? Think about it, a quarter off the price. That's really crazy, but that's really good. That's crazy in the positive sense. Okay. You have also exclusive coupons and savings I spoke about that a little earlier when I said, hey, listen, I love couponing. And if you love couponing too, you will love the fact that with BJ's, you can get deals and digital offers you will not find anywhere else. You can also fill up for less at BJ's Gas. Save 10 cents off per gallon on your next fill up with BJ's Fuel Saver program when you purchase select items. So it goes from 5 cents to 10 cents. And you are also able to easily manage your membership. For instance, you can track your savings. You also have BJ's Easy Renewal, right? It's all about making sure that you are a perfect, quote unquote, perfect BJ's member. And also you can add a household member, so you can increase the savings a lot more. So if you want to become a BJ's member this year, you need to learn how to manage your account properly. That's really important because the whole thing is that when you have to think about BJ's as some kind of a strategy or a vision, okay? And you are able to the way you manage your account properly is first to enroll in promotional texts, okay? Because what happens here that BJ's has a very powerful email marketing campaign structure whereby they send every now and then actually promotional sort of offers, okay? So what you want to do is you want to visit the My Account tab in the Account Center. You want to click Edit on Mobile Preferences, toggle Yes for promotional text, and click Save, because you want to be aware, if there is a promo, you want to be the very first to know. Then you want to check your mobile device for a message from BJ's on the go and reply yes to complete your opt-in, because BJ's wants you to make sure that you indeed signed up for this service, okay? So the text will come from BJ's on the go. So this is the program, the promotional program is called BJ's on the go. So once you receive a text message from that program, I want you to hit yes right now, okay? Now the thing is that one thing for sure, if you do not want to have promotional text, just reply no. I mean, maybe your wife or your husband signed up on your behalf, but you never wanted it. So instead of saying yes, you just say no, okay? And one thing you want to do also in terms of managing your account properly is to actually keep the right phone number, because a lot of BJ's members, they just run everything through their phone. Okay, so they'll log into BJ's app. Like nobody goes on a computer. I mean, nobody. Most people go on a mobile phone and they handle things from there. So the one thing for sure, you want to make sure you have the right phone number, and you are able to have a lot of possibilities there. And you can also contact customer care by emailing them at customercare@bjs.com, okay? Or you can just call them for you to ask questions. Then the main number here is that 1-800-BJS Club, okay? 1-800-BJS Club, and you have all the answers that you have. And before I close to this conversation, there is a possibility if you're not satisfied with BJ's, you can cancel your membership by using any of the following methods. We're going to put this on the screen. So there are 5 methods for you to really cancel your membership this year. So in person at the member services desk at any BJ's location. You can email BJ's at customercare@bjs.com. You can chat with BJ's by going to bjs.com/help and clicking on chat. You can call BJ's member care at 1-800-BJS Club, or you can just write a letter to BJ's Wholesale Club Incorporated. Attention, membership, PO Box 9157. I gave you this address before, but I'm giving you this to you again. So the city is in Marlborough, and this is Massachusetts 01752. Okay. And one thing I need to say is that only the primary member can cancel a membership. Cancellation by the primary member automatically cancels all supplemental memberships at the same time. And if the primary member is recently deceased, you can call BJ's member care at 1-800-BJS Club, or you can send them a letter and explain what really happened. So here's the epilogue. In today's conversation, I explained to you how to become a BJ's member. I gave you the prologue. I explained to you that you need to choose the card you want, set up your household, understand membership types, learn how to renew, enjoy the perks, and manage your account properly. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.